Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Roseville, local and long-distance movers near me. For more than 20 years, customers have been coming to us for all their moving needs. From packing to loading and unpacking, we make sure to always arrive on time because we know all the difficulties that come with moving to a new place. You'll know exactly how much our affordable rates cost after we give you a free quote before the move, so there won't be any surprises. Having to move can already be a hectic experience, let alone having to pack up for a long journey into a new place. To make matters worse, there's always a risk to your precious belongings that can get damaged along the way. Our expert movers won't let any of that happen. Take away some of the pressure by letting us pack your things for you. We have the equipment and supplies designed to ensure your valuables arrive unharmed, and we will also do the long trek for you with all your things in tow. Getting your family to help you pack and move with their cars filled to the brim is so stressful that you'll be asking yourself why you didn't move somewhere far away instead. Our movers will pack and unpack your things at your new home or office within just one day, so skip the stress of dealing with family members while you move and invite them over for a celebratory dinner on moving night instead. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Roseville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.